What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk meme coins, because this is a article that I want to get down into the numbers where meme coin returns have been 6 times higher than the crypto market average over the last 60 days. We're going to be talking about that. We'll go over some of the big ones, and I'll share with you guys my thoughts along the way. If you're new to the channel, awesome. Make sure you guys all give me a follow on X. Be sure to subscribe to YouTube down below, as well as leave your comments. Which meme coins are you eyeing this cycle? We're going to get into all of them. Make sure you smash that like button as well. And please remember, none of this is financial advice, so always do your own research and due diligence, okay? But let's dive into the crypto bubbles real quick, and you can see kind of what we have going on. We have turned into the green. It's been a day where we started off red, and there have been more green days than red days as of late, and that's kind of where we're looking into meme coins. Because the big story right now that we have going on is Bitcoin hitting 100,000, the deregulation within Washington, within President Trump taking his second term coming in 2025. What's going to happen with crypto, right? There's been a lot of narrative. We've seen Pepe go on runs. We've seen Dogecoin hit extreme numbers. And this is kind of where we're going to get into kind of the 2025 outlook for meme coins in this video, because you can't ignore the gains over the last 30 days. Okay, so let's hit it. It's crazy to think about too, as we go down the top 100, how many meme coins are actually in the top 100, comparison to 2021 numbers. That's been kind of my biggest takeaway this year, and just to see all the good projects that have launched and have had success, okay? Most notably, just the ones at the top, we'll talk about Doge, Pepe, Shiba Inu, Floki, Dog with Hat, Bonk. You can even name Bread on Base, one of the cryptos I'm bullish on as well. All right, but let's get down into this article, okay? Because this is the numbers that we're seeing. 6x more than normal, okay? And the biggest storyline too as well is the fact that we have 6 times higher than the 16.1 average returns according to data from Artemis. Now, within this data, there are 19 meme coins that are being tracked that have seen extreme growth. And a lot of people are thinking that we have a narrative where Pepe can do better than Dogecoin in this cycle. Historically, the way we've seen it work is you get, Bitcoin gets all of the capital, then that money obviously will flow back into the likes of altcoins and then meme coins. And then from there, guys, it is all bets off, because this is something where 2017, 2021, and now 2024, we do have a lot of 2025, we do have a lot of optimism within the markets, and meme coins are definitely leading the way as we look into this early on period of the bull cycle, okay? So let's talk about it a little bit more so, but before we do, I want to share with you guys kind of an exciting project that's launching. This is Pepe Meme. Now, Solana meme coins have had extreme success. Some of them do well, some of them don't. Okay, so make sure you do your research and due diligence. But Pepe Meme is launching based upon the original meme, and I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about what they bring to the table, because right now they're in their pre-sale. Okay, so you can check out their website. There will be a link down below in the description if you want to buy. Right now they have the 10,000 Ordinals NFT Club that will be launching soon on Solana. Their Web3 games, as well as kind of what we are seeing within what they offer from staking on Solana as well. And then the biggest thing we're going to get into is how to buy Pepe Meme. But first, I do want to share with you guys, that is the token address. So if you do click their website, you can go check it out. Some of the tokenomics you can see right here, and how the supply and all of the circulation and liquidity will be distributed. And that's kind of where you can look and even find the initial market cap, which obviously plays a role if you guys are going to look into the tokenomics and make sure this is the right project for you. Also, just to talk about the fans, and this is a big one, right? Cameron Winklevoss, Jeff Bezos, they all follow Pepe Meme. There's other big name celebrities and so on and so forth, users on X. And you can see that right now, as you can check out their X page for yourself, 535,000 followers. So if you want to know more and you want to check out what more they can offer, make sure you click on a link. You can see even Elon Musk replying to Pepe Meme. So right now in their pre-sale, their Pepe is not built on Solana, but Pepe Meme is trying to play off of that narrative, and that's where they're going to be launching in just a few weeks, and that's where you could obviously look for some gains if you want to get into this project in their pre-sale phase. As always, guys, pre-sales can go either way. Okay, I've won a lot of pre-sales, I've lost a lot of pre-sales. Okay, so I take them and I approach it as like a lottery ticket. I get in them, I get up, get out. I don't necessarily marry them. Everybody has a different financial situation, so do what's best for you. I'll never tell you to buy or sell a crypto, but check out Pepe Meme, and I'm going to show you guys right now on their website how exactly to do this, and there's a lot of other videos on YouTube if you want to check out Pepe Meme, but right now in their pre-market, you can see right now that the biggest thing is 1.34 million has been raised in this pre-sale. It's not a number where it's too big, where the pre-sale is too overly weighted, where you have to worry about a big sell-off. In my personal opinion, you can see kind of where this current price is sitting at and what the listing price will be. So obviously, within these pre-sales, a lot of times the price does go up, and that's exactly what's going to happen. The price will increase, but right now, that price is sitting there a little bit lower than what it will be at when that next price hike does take place, okay? And like I said, guys, just a couple weeks, this will be launching. To buy this, what you need to do is basically click the blockchain that you're going to be using or whatever token you want to swap into, and then click buy now, okay, using that link down below. You can see kind of what's going on, and you can look into kind of the transactions and some of the other things going on in their website. It's pretty in-depth of what they have to bring to the table in terms of what a pre-sale website will look like. A lot of times it's just a narrative and a couple cartoons, and it gets you on your way where you can either buy or not buy, okay? But there's a lot of information. Check out what they have to offer. Check out their white paper. But like I said, guys, launching soon on Solana. Check out Pepe meme links down below, okay? But back into the meme coin rewards, okay? This is where we look into the ones that we talked about. And even some of the politify stuff, right? Like MAGA, that's been down, obviously, with the election subsiding. But more so as we look into kind of some more data from Kato AI, meme coins have controlled nearly 24% of investors' mind share as of November 14th. And that's kind of where you look at 1 out of 4 crypto investors are posting on X discussing meme coins. So it's pretty much cut and dry. Meme coins are dominating the market, okay? Now, as we look into kind of that 16%, 9 out of the 22 crypto sectors tracked by Artemis are beating the market's average 16% monthly average return. You can look into kind of the store of value sector. That's an average gain of 48.2. Native first generation blockchains, right? That is seeing 47.1, just slightly below that over the 30% or last 30 days. And then smart contract platforms, okay, such as Solana and Sui, they've have average gains of 24.3. And then above those, below those will be the meme coins sitting there at 16% roughly. Okay, so that's kind of interesting to put it into perspective. Not all crypto investors are meme coin investors, and not all meme coin investors are crypto investors. Okay, so keep that in mind. But right now, what we look into kind of where we're seeing a little bit of outperforming the market is meme coins, okay? I mean, the numbers speak for themselves, right? As we look at the last 30 days, 103% average returns, dwarfing the 16.1. So you can look at these 22 crypto sectors and really put in perspective how much gains are being had in the meme coin sector versus other sectors, okay? And that's really attributed to a lot of the communities out there, a lot of the, get rich, get up quick kind of mindset. Everybody kind of wants to win back what they lost in 2022. And it is not a proven science, right? I'll never tell you guys I have that crystal ball. I can't tell you guys what crypto is going to do day in and day out. If I knew that, I wouldn't be on YouTube. I'd be playing the lottery because I could predict the future, okay? But that's kind of where I'm at. Furthermore, if we look into kind of what meme coins do on the other side of the argument, they are very volatile. So just as easy as over the last 30 days, they can be up 103%. You have to not ignore the fact that meme coins can also experience extreme volatility. They can subside and see mass corrections. But, I've talked about it in a previous video. Right now, there's a lot of people betting big on Pepe. I bought Pepe just a little bit ago, where I do think that, of the cryptos I do talk about, right? I mentioned Dogecoin a lot. We talk Dogecoin every single day. Dogecoin will always be my all-time favorite. It will always be kind of the end-all be-all for me in terms of meme coins. But I do see an avenue where Pepe does extremely well this cycle, and maybe not outlast Dogecoin, right? But they may have a bigger percentage increase over this cycle than what we see at the top from the likes of Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Floki, just to name a few. So Some of the ones more down the list in the top 100, I think I'm keyed in on more just because I can make more gains. There's a lot more volatility for swing trading, so on and so forth. But for me, guys, it's always going to be Dogecoin at the top, but can't ignore the frog too. Big fan of Pepe. I think the narrative's there, and that's kind of where we're looking into a lot of the meme coins now. As we see, I think it's over 10 now, 10 cryptos in the top 100 that are meme coins. So exciting stuff. I think that there's always going to be new projects launching, and if you've had fun on Pump.fun, pun intended, and as well as some other Solana meme coins out there, it's been exciting. So like I said, guys, that's where I'm at. You can't ignore the 103% over the last 30 days. That's kind of the highlight of this video. So stay safe trading out there. Let's go make some gains. And as always, guys, we'll have crypto coverage every single day right here on this channel. Make sure you subscribe for more. Links down below for Pepe Meme if you want to check them out at the end of this video. Cheers.